Why choose Power BI? Power BI allows you to quickly turn data into meaningful insights. This is all possible through an intuitive interface inside the Power BI desktop. Choose the data you want to connect to with over 100 different data connectors such as Excel, SQL Server, Salesforce, and Dynamics. You can then clean the data to fit your needs using tools most business users will be familiar with from Excel. One of these is Power Query. This will allow you to connect, transform, and mash up data from different sources, which through the interface inside a Power Query editor will allow users of all levels to create advanced data models. The other one is DAX. This will allow you to create calculations and measures on the fly to add into your reports. Power BI comes with a wide selection of visuals that you can add quickly to your reports and then populate it with data to generate insights and to see different views. You're not limited to just the base visuals inside the Power BI. Power BI also supports custom visuals. These can either be developed in-house to suit an exact business process or need, or they can be downloaded from app stores, which have been created by developers all over the planet to increase the functionality inside of Power BI. These are the reasons why within minutes you can have an interactive report or dashboard. Once you publish your report, it is then stored on the Microsoft Cloud services, which allow you to access your report, modify it, and share it to anyone, anywhere. Power BI service is available through your web browser on Windows or via apps on iOS and Android.